Huizhou Unionwell Sensing and Control Electronics Company Limited, with its wholly owned subsidiary Huizhou Gritech Electronics Company Limited, is a manufacturer specializing in the research, development, production, and sales of microswitch and assembly, boasting over 30 years of industry experience. Established in 2007, the company is located in Longmen County, the Greater Bay Area region of Guangdong Province in South China. It is a national high-tech enterprise and a specialized, refined, differential, and innovative enterprise. Having obtained the Provincial Engineering Technology Center, currently, the company employs over 600 people. Its self-purchased industrial park covers a land area of 54,000 square meters, with a planned total floor area of 120,000 square meters. Phase 1, with a finished floor area of 65,000 square meters, includes production, warehousing, office, employee accommodation, and entertainment facilities.
Over 90% of the production process is automated,
with fully automatic assembly equipment, testing equipment, injection machine and insert molding machine, stamping machine, and various production supporting equipment. The annual capacity of the micro switch exceeds 350 million pieces. The company's main products include various microswitches and assemblies, such as waterproof and dustproof microswitches for automotive, microswitches for home appliances, microswitches for charging and discharging equipment of electric vehicles, electronic locks, mechanical keyboard switches, precision connectors for automobiles, various contact module sensor and control components. These products are mainly used in automotive electronics, home appliances, electric vehicle charging and discharging equipment, power tools, computer gaming peripherals, and industrial automation control. The R&D department boasts over 30 engineers, many of whom have over 20 years of industry experience. The founder has been deeply involved in the microswitch industry since 1993, contributing to the company's strong R&D capabilities. The company has always adhered to independent innovation, currently holding over 200 patents, including over 70 invention patents and 2 global patents. The company is equipped with a comprehensive laboratory, also certified by UL Witness Laboratory, capable of conducting all experiments in the microswitch. Meanwhile, the factory fully implements the ERP Enterprise Resource Planning System and the MES Manufacturing Execution System, adopts the PLM Product Lifecycle Management System for the R&D process, and integrates the WMS Warehouse Management System, SCM Supply Chain Management System, and CRM Customer Management System. This continuously enhances the company's digitalization level, promotes data visualization and management intelligence, and strides towards intelligent manufacturing. The company has obtained ISO 9001, ATF 16949, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, and ISO 50001 certifications, and ranks in the top 20% globally in EcoVadis assessment. Our professional quality management team, consisting of over 40 people, strictly enforces the quality management system standards, fully applies quality management tools, and uses automated testing equipment to 100% test each switch, ensuring perfect product quality. All products comply with RoHS and REACH environmental requirements, and major products have passed UL, CUL, NEC, CE, CQC, and ATX safety certifications, selling well in the global market. Unionwell has cooperated with many renowned worldwide brand clients for years, and establishing one-stop ODM and OEM services covering product design, development, manufacturing, and automation equipment R&D. Unionwell Sensing and Control always adheres to the principle of customer supremacy, providing customers with the highest quality products and services. We sincerely look forward to cooperating with you.